Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
The date is already tentatively we have fixed as 4th of June.
काउंटिंग रोकडेच जातं.
काउंटिंग रोखडे जातले.
त्याची डिलिमिटेशन प्रोसेस चालू असलं तो
आता सध्या डिलिमिटेशन प्रोसेस चालू आसा. डिलिमिटेशन एज यू आर अवेअर आमी हे सगळे इलेक्शन कमिशनाक दिल्ले आसा. आता इलेक्शन कमिशनाक आमी दिल्ले इन कन्सल्टेशन with the state government. So right now some little consultation is going on because election commission also have received so many representations, so many suggestions. They have pointed out certain anomalies. They have come to us also. So naturally both have been consulting each other or they have been consulting us to a limited extent, and I think most of the things will be cleared very soon, and we will be able to keep up the schedule. Thereafter the reservation will come. Once this is done, the next thing they will be of reservation. So that also we will be solving it at the earliest possible time.
So suggestions कितने येलेले आसा अशें तुमकां suggestions लोकांक as far as delimitation is concerned?
See, suggestion कितली येयला म्हणना तो आख्खो इतलो व्हडलो दाड पडलेलो आसा. Okay, but we have painfully gone through each and everything which came to our notice, and I think that way election commission of Goa, that is CEC, they have done quite a good job, I should say. त्यांनी बरेच त्रास घेतलेले आसा and they are looking at it very carefully.
Okay, and then afterwards, how long it will take for a reservation of votes?
See, moment this is notified, the next thing is that they will send the file about the reservation. There is a certain rotation that takes place, like one particular ward which was general can become ladies, and then according to the population, whether it is ST or OBC or other reservation, that will be decided thereafter.